Hello everyone and welcome back to section 3 of Apache Storm. In this section we'll be learning how to set up our Apache Storm environment. So being a developer, of course, one of the initial challenges that you may face while practicing Apache Storm is to set up your development environment. This section is moreover focused on how you can set up your development environment using Java, using Eclipse, and also how to set up your Maven and how you can create a manual jar project in case you don't have internet access or you have a limited internet access. So in this section we are going to take a look on the prerequisites and the system requirements to do the practice. We'll also install Java, we'll configure the environment variables, we will install and configure Eclipse, we will build the Apache Storm project using Maven, and also we'll build another Apache Storm project using external jar configuration. So let's start with the video 1. So in this video, we'll talk about the prerequisites and the system requirements. So the basic prerequisite that is expected to practice Apache Storm is you should have a decent system with, close to 4 to 8 GB of RAM, and you must have a development experience in Java. That's number 1. And you must have some basic understanding on big data projects. Because at the end of the section, maybe on section 9, we'll be also discussing about how you can output your data to HDFS. So you should be aware a little bit about Hadoop and all. And you should also have the basic understanding on Apache Maven. So the software requirements as well as the hardware requirements is something like this. So you need to have minimum Intel Core i3 processor or later. Expected RAM is 8 GB. 4 GB is manageable, but 8 GB would be appreciated. Hard disk space of minimum 80 to 100 gigs, and the OS you can use Windows, Linux or Mac. So the process that we will do is first we'll go ahead and install Java, and after installing Java we will configure the Java in the Windows environment, and second thing we will download, install and configure Eclipse, and finally we will create an empty Storm project using Maven as well as the external jar configuration. Now throughout my video actually I'll be using Windows as the base operating system. However, if you're using Linux, if you're using Mac, feel free to explore more on those operating system level.